Part 1. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a little boy named Kieran. Kieran was kind and curious, and he loved exploring the forests near his home. Every morning, he would wake up early to watch the sunrise and listen to the birds sing. One day, while walking near the river, he found a tiny injured bird lying on the ground. Its wing was bent, and it could not fly. Kieran felt a surge of compassion in his heart. He gently picked up the bird and whispered, "Don't worry, little one, I will help you." He carried it home in his hands and made a soft bed for it using cotton and leaves. Every day, Kieran fed the bird with grains and fresh water. He even sang songs to it, hoping it would feel brave and loved. As days passed, the bird began to heal, and its chirping grew louder and sweeter. Kieran felt proud of himself, and the villagers noticed his kindness. They often smiled when they saw him caring for the little creature. Little did Kieran know, this small act of kindness was about to teach him a lesson that would change his life forever. One morning, as Kieran was walking to the river with the bird perched on his shoulder, he noticed a shiny stone lying on the riverbank. It sparkled in the sunlight and seemed magical. Curious, Kieran picked it up and saw that it was a smooth, golden stone unlike anything he had seen before. He wondered if it was a treasure from the mountains or a gift from the river spirits. Excited, he ran back home to show his mother, who smiled and said, "Sometimes, treasures are not gold or jewels, Kieran, but the love and care we give to others." Kieran nodded, feeling the truth in her words, but he still wondered if the stone had a secret power. That evening, Kieran placed the bird on its perch and held the golden stone in his hands. He whispered, "I hope you like your new home and that the stone brings happiness to everyone." Suddenly, a soft glow appeared around the stone, and Kieran felt a warm, gentle energy fill the room. The bird chirped joyfully, hopping from one place to another as if it understood something magical was happening. Kieran realized that his kindness had somehow made the stone glow, and he felt a happiness he had never felt before. From that day, Kieran began to understand that caring for others, even in small ways, could create joy that spreads far beyond what we can see. And so, he decided to explore more ways to help and share, not expecting anything in return but knowing that goodness always comes back in its own beautiful way. Part 2. The next day, Kieran went to the forest, carrying some fruits and grains for the birds and animals. He walked slowly, observing the trees, flowers, and animals around him. He noticed a rabbit stuck in a thorn bush, struggling to free itself. Without hesitation, Kieran approached and carefully removed the thorns one by one. The rabbit shook its ears and hopped around happily, then ran into the forest, looking back as if to say thank you. Kieran smiled, realizing that helping others did not require grand gestures, even small acts mattered. As he continued walking, he saw an elderly man sitting alone by a tree, looking sad and tired. Kieran approached and asked gently, "Sir, are you okay?" The man explained that he had lost his way while gathering firewood and could not find his village. Kieran offered to help, and together they walked through the forest. Along the way, Kieran shared his fruits with the man, and the man shared stories of his youth, of bravery and wisdom. Kieran listened intently, feeling a deep respect for the man's experiences. By the time they reached the village, the man was smiling, and Kieran felt a warm glow in his heart. That evening, Kieran thought about all the creatures he had helped that day. He realized that every act of kindness created a ripple, touching lives in ways he could not always see. He picked up the golden stone and placed it beside the bird's perch, noticing that it glimmered softly, like it was happy too. Days passed, and Kieran's reputation as a kind-hearted boy spread through the village. Other children began to follow his example, helping animals, assisting elders, and sharing their food. Kieran felt joyful, not because of the attention, but because he saw goodness growing everywhere. One afternoon, while exploring near the river, Kieran discovered a small, frightened deer caught in a net. The deer struggled, but Kieran calmly approached and untangled it. The deer ran into the forest but stopped at the edge to look back at Kieran, as if thanking him for his care. Kieran laughed and waved at the deer, feeling that every life mattered, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. That evening, Kieran placed some fresh water for the birds, fed the stray cats, and checked on the little bird he had saved long ago. It chirped happily, fluttering its wings, and Kieran whispered, "We are all connected, little one, and every kind deed makes the world brighter." The golden stone glowed faintly beside him, reminding Kieran that the magic in the world came from love, compassion, and caring hearts. Part 3. One morning, Kieran woke up to find the golden stone glowing more brightly than ever before. Curious, he touched it, and a soft voice seemed to whisper, "Kindness is the key to true happiness." Kieran smiled, understanding that he did not need magical powers to make a difference. His actions alone could bring light to others. That day, he decided to visit the village school, where he found children arguing over a game and refusing to share their toys. Kieran stepped in gently and suggested a game that everyone could play together. Slowly, the children began to cooperate, laughing and sharing, realizing that having fun together was far better than arguing. The teacher noticed the change and praised Kieran for his wisdom and patience. Kieran felt proud, but he knew it was not about recognition. It was about making others happy. After school, Kieran went to the market, where he saw a poor boy sitting alone, looking hungry. Kieran offered him some fruits from his bag, and the boy smiled brightly, his eyes sparkling with gratitude. Kieran remembered the words his mother had said about treasures being love and care, and he understood them even more deeply now. That evening, as the sun set and painted the sky in shades of orange and pink, Kieran walked to the river with the little bird on his shoulder. He watched the reflection of the sky in the water and thought about all the kindness he had shared. He realized that happiness grows when it is shared, just like the river flows and nourishes everything in its path. Kieran decided to start a small garden near his home, where he could plant fruits and vegetables for anyone in need. He worked tirelessly, watering the plants, removing weeds, and caring for every seed as if it were a tiny friend. Slowly, the garden began to flourish, and neighbors began visiting to enjoy the fresh produce. They marveled at Kieran's generosity and dedication, and soon the entire village began to understand the joy of giving. That night, Kieran placed the golden stone beside the garden, smiling as it glowed softly under the moonlight. He felt a sense of peace, knowing that small acts of love could create a world of difference. And so, Kieran continued his journey of kindness, learning, and sharing, never expecting anything in return but knowing that goodness always finds a way to grow. Part 4. As the seasons changed, Kieran's garden grew more beautiful, attracting birds, bees, and butterflies. The village children began helping him water the plants and care for the animals. Kieran taught them the importance of compassion, patience, and sharing. One day, a terrible storm hit the village. Strong winds blew the roofs off houses, trees fell, and the river overflowed, flooding the streets. Many villagers were scared and didn't know what to do. But Kieran remained calm. He ran from house to house, helping neighbors secure their belongings, guiding children to safe places, and rescuing animals stranded in the flood. His courage inspired the villagers, and together they worked to protect each other. After the storm passed, the village was damaged, but everyone had survived safely, thanks to Kieran's quick thinking and selflessness. Kieran realized that kindness was not only about helping in normal times but also about standing strong when others needed support. The villagers celebrated Kieran's bravery, but he simply smiled and said, "We all helped each other, and that is the true magic." The golden stone glowed brighter than ever, as if acknowledging Kieran's deeds. In the following days, Kieran organized a cleanup of the village, helping rebuild damaged homes and planting more trees near the river. Children, adults, and even travelers passing through joined him, inspired by his determination and gentle leadership. Kieran felt proud but never boasted. He understood that leadership was not about power but about serving others with love and humility. One afternoon, while walking through the village, Kieran noticed a small boy crying because his toy had broken. Kieran knelt down and offered the boy some leaves and twigs, showing him how to make a new toy from nature. The boy's tears turned into laughter, and Kieran realized that even little gestures can bring immense joy. That evening, the golden stone glowed softly beside Kieran's bed, and the little bird chirped happily, hopping around its perch. Kieran whispered, "We are all part of a bigger world, and every act of kindness makes it brighter. And with that thought, he fell asleep peacefully, dreaming of new ways to help and share, knowing that love and compassion were the most magical treasures of all. Part 5. Months passed, and Kieran's reputation as a kind and wise boy spread far beyond the village. Travelers from distant towns would come to see the Golden Stone and learn from Kieran's example. One day, a merchant arrived with a cart full of gifts and sweets. He offered them to Kieran, hoping to reward him for his kindness. But Kieran politely refused, saying, "I do not need gifts. The happiness of others is the greatest reward." The merchant was amazed and decided to stay for a while, helping Kieran teach children and villagers the value of giving without expecting anything in return. Kieran's garden flourished even more, and the forest animals grew comfortable around him, knowing they would never be harmed. Birds would perch on his shoulders, rabbits would follow him, and even the shy deer would approach to eat the fruits he offered. Every evening, Kieran would sit by the river, watching the sunset, feeling grateful for the love that surrounded him. One day, Kieran found a young girl sitting alone, looking sad and hungry. He offered her fruits, shared his water, and spoke gently to her. The girl's eyes sparkled as she realized she had found a friend. Kieran decided to teach her how to care for the garden, feed the animals, and help others. Soon, the girl began sharing kindness with others too, spreading the lessons Kieran had taught her. The Golden Stone glowed softly as if happy to see Kieran's teachings continue. Kieran understood that goodness multiplies when shared, just like seeds grow into trees that bear fruits for everyone. That night, Kieran placed the little bird on his shoulder and whispered, "We are all part of something bigger, and when we care for others, the world becomes brighter." The bird chirped in agreement, and Kieran fell asleep with a heart full of joy and peace. From that day forward, Kieran's village became a place where kindness, compassion, and love were the most valuable treasures, teaching everyone who visited the power of a caring heart. Part 6. Years passed, and Kieran grew into a young man, but his heart remained gentle and full of love. The Golden Stone stayed with him, glowing softly every day, reminding him of the magic of kindness. Children continued to visit Kieran, learning from his wisdom, and the village became known far and wide as a place where love and compassion flourished. One day, a stranger asked Kieran, "What is the secret of your happiness?" Kieran smiled and replied, "The secret is simple. Care for others, be patient, share joy, and love without expecting anything in return." The stranger nodded, inspired by Kieran's words. Kieran continued to help the animals, teach the children, and care for the village. The little bird, now grown, would sing every morning, welcoming the sun and reminding everyone that life is beautiful when shared. Kieran often thought back to the day he had saved the tiny injured bird, realizing that one small act of kindness had set in motion a lifetime of love, compassion, and happiness. The villagers, children, and travelers all learned that treasures are not gold or jewels, but the love we give and the happiness we share. And so, Kieran's life became a shining example of how one kind heart can change the world, leaving behind a legacy of joy, hope, and endless compassion for generations to come. The Golden Stone, resting in Kieran's home, glowed softly as the sun set, a reminder that kindness, like magic, never fades but grows brighter with every good deed. And in this small village by the hills and rivers, the story of Kieran and the little bird became a legend, inspiring everyone to care, love, and share, knowing that even the smallest act of kindness can create miracles beyond imagination. And so, the village thrived, the children laughed and played, and the birds sang sweetly, while Kieran's heart, full of love, continued to shine, teaching the world that true happiness comes from giving, caring, and loving without expecting anything in return.